Hey everybody! Today I'm going to teach you how to make these Woodland Animal Valentine candy huggers. These are super cute and a pretty easy craft to do. You're just going to need the hugger templates, which I have one for free on my blog you can try, as well as the whole set, which is listed in the shop if you want to purchase. You'll need a glue gun, some photo tape, candy, 65-pound cardstock, and a Cricut machine, or you can print these out on cardstock and use scissors to cut them out if you don't have a Cricut machine. So let's go ahead and get started with this cute craft. These huggers are very cute and simple to put together. They're each going to have their own layers, of course, but essentially they're all going to be layered the same way. So I have my little bear here, and you're just going to get everything cut out. I do use a Cricut machine. Like I mentioned, you can print them out if you prefer, and just hand cut them and print them out as well. But you're basically just going to add some glue to the back side and place it over the base layer. It's really simple. Your kids can work on this too for Valentine's Day, so it can be really fun. And you can do this if you don't have a Cricut machine. I mean, you can print it out. I recommend printing it out then on like a cardstock that you would maybe get like a colored cardstock so that the back of the bear isn't white when you fold his arms over. But you can do this without a Cricut if you just want to use a printer too for a fun Valentine. So I'm just adding all the pieces on here. I'm adding his little nose on, and his little mouth. And then if there's any smaller parts like the eyes, I use a permanent adhesive clear runner tape, which is like a photo tape that you can get at craft stores or online. And then that way you're just not trying to like get the glue precise and then potentially having glue show on your bear or whichever animal you're doing. So just add the little eyes there. And that's it. We have our little bear built, and you can add candy now to make it a Valentine that has candy. So you can add a lollipop or a piece of chocolate or anything like that. I like a lollipop, so I'm just adding a little bit of tape here over his belly so that the lollipop will stay put. So just some clear tape will work. And then when you close his arms over, you won't even see it. So just give the arms a little bit of a curl or a bend there, and add a little bit of glue to the one side of the arm and just close it over so it stays put. And you can make a bunch of these for Valentine's Day. They're really cute and fun, and you can find the fox for free on my blog, abbykirstencollections.com. And if you want to buy this entire set of animals, you can find them in my shops, which I have also linked below this video. So you can buy the whole set or just use my freebie on the blog. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember, you can find all sorts of freebies on my blog, abbykirstencollections.com, anytime.